Hey Diva Dolls, what's up? This is your girl Crystal Chanel. I am back with a brand new video. Today I'm doing a getting ready with me video on brunch outfits. We're talking about hair, makeup, smell goods. You know, I had a partner with Dossier. I have been working with them for a while and I'm super excited to share with you what smells I'm going to be wearing today. But if you want to see some casual, cute slays for brunch with your family or friends or whoever, stay tuned. Done a casual slay video in a while, and I have been getting so much feedback on my makeup on my Instagram as well as on my last video, so I decided to go ahead and record a really simple, easy to do look today. I already moisturized my face using this Fenty Beauty. I have been using this for a while. I got the tester just to see if I really liked it, and at first I thought it was really thick, but now it's pretty good. The primer that I'm using is by e.l.f. Cosmetics. If you miss anything that I use, do not worry. I am going to put it down below for you. But I just got out the shower, finished moisturizing my body, and you already know I have to smell good. So Dossier is a dupe for all of my luxury fragrances. You can go on the website. I shared with you guys before. I'm gonna put a clip in on this video, but you can literally see all of the options available. They have scents for men, scents for women. They have unisex scents. I don't care honestly what category it's in. I care about the notes. And if you're not sure what a note is the underlying smell or the first impression smell of a fragrance. So I like floralies, like kind of like smelling flowers. I like woodsy, kind of like smoke, or like cigar, or like wood. So like campfire, like that kind of woodsy. So for me, these two are perfect because this one, which again is the one that smells like DIOR, this one has top notes of mandarin and it has top notes of bergamot, middle notes of jasmine and sweet pea and rose. So there goes that floral I was telling you about. And then base notes of musk, plum, and amaranth wood. So if you, again, know what you're looking for, like my daughter, she absolutely loves vanilla scents. I have a friend, she loves florals as well, but she likes fruity too. I don't like fruity and floral. I think it's too sweet. So I know you guys cannot smell me, but I promise you I smell delicious, okay? And I figure I should definitely talk about scent because that's one of the ways that I feel most feminine is based off of the fragrance that I leave when I walk by someone or leave the room. So when I leave the room, my smell doesn't leave the room. Hence my presence still being there, okay? So I have so many perfumes. Like I really adore perfumes, but your girl has been on a budget. That's another reason why I've been looking for luxury dupes. So if you're trying to figure out a luxury dupe, this, for example, is a luxury dupe. This is the Woody HYACINTH. I think it's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure, but this is a scent that I love because it smells like the Chanel Chance. I still want to look good, but I don't want to compromise my smell or my budget. That's where Dossier comes in, okay? Like, I'm not even joking, y'all. I am very conscious right now. Y'all already know I am planning a wedding and every little bit counts. So I spent a lot more money on a lot smaller bottles, and it's not like this is a watered down scent. All of the Dossier scents have like luxury ingredients. They just don't have that name brand attached to where it drives the cost up, okay? So I want y'all to really know y'all are getting these ingredients straight from France. It's cruelty free, and you're really getting a good value for your money because you're only paying like $29. I want to say up to $59, but I do know the more you buy, the more you save because you can even get a discount if you buy like 3 bottles or more. You guys already know I am always going to hook you up with a coupon code, so look down below. I will find any coupon codes that I can to get you guys the best price. I always get questions on, hey girl, do you really use these products? Like, you know, what do you really think? I really like it. That's why I'm sharing it with you guys. And I love the price, okay? Because I am a mixer. I like to mix my fragrances. I usually wear 2 at a time. So right now I've been wearing this one, which is like the J'adore scent. And then I also mix it with my Burberry. I haven't seen a Burberry dupe on their website yet, but as soon as I do, I'm gonna grab it because my favorite is the Burberry London. But yeah, that's enough of me chatting. Let me go ahead and get into it. As you can see, I'm darkening my eyebrows. I'm gonna go through this again. I'm gonna do a voiceover. It's gonna be real fast because I do this in all my videos, but I'm gonna get down to the color part of my makeup so that you guys can practice that at home. Okay, so as you can see, I am starting with eyebrows. I'm actually going to be kind of quick with this because I do this in all my videos. So I am using foundation instead of concealer just to kind of clean up my eyebrows, and it's really simple. You get an angled brush and you kind of follow the lines. If you mess up, just kind of wipe it off and try it again, but once you master your eyebrows, it frames your face, so you really do master everything. Now I'm using a little bit of primer because I know I'm going to wear eyeshadow. This eyeshadow palette I got from ColourPop. I'm going to put all of the products that I use down below so you guys can shop. Now this eyeshadow, I'm doing like a light color. If you're not good at applying eyeshadow, just kind of press it onto your skin. You don't really have to do too much. I recommend to get eyeshadow that doesn't have a lot of fallout. Fallout is when you tap it and then all the powder comes out. Try to get better pigments. And if you need more details on shopping for makeup, I would love to do that. Just leave me a comment and I'll be sure to get it recorded. So this is that same foundation that you just saw me use on my eyebrows. I'm kind of putting it all over my face, and I do want you guys to realize you can go back with a sponge in case it looks too brush strokey. You don't want to have any lines in your face. That's the whole point of makeup, is to look like you have flawless skin, okay? So you can always go back and put on more makeup with a sponge, or use your sponge and kind of blend it out. Now I'm continuing with this concealer. This is from Fenty Beauty. You just saw me show the 2 concealers. One is a light color, one is a dark color. I'll be using that dark color now, and this is going to be for concealing. So again, y'all, this is just a really quick demonstration of how I do my makeup most of the time. I have more getting ready with me videos you can check out down below in my playlist so that you can see my makeup done slower and with a talk through. Now this is the Fenty Beauty Cashew. I love this stuff. It's not too light and it gives me a really smooth finish. So I kind of press it in my face before I wipe it all the way off, and that's how I set my face, which is important, especially if you have oily skin or combination oily skin. It'll keep your makeup on all day and it prevents your makeup from caking or sweating off. Now I lined my eyes off of camera, but it's kind of hard, y'all, to kind of record and show you this, but this is how I got that pop of color. So I used a white eyeshadow pencil. I drew little white in my corner of my eyes, and then I went over it with a color. If you didn't do the first step with the white, your color would not pop and it would actually soak into your skin throughout the day with your oils, and you wouldn't have that really bright pigment. So that's why I wanted to show you guys that detail. You gotta use a primer whenever you're doing your color, and I use a white eyebrow pencil when I do that. I really do love me some Fenty Beauty, y'all. I keep saying Fenty, but yeah, I used the oh my gosh, I used a palette from Sephora, which is their Pro palette. It was on sale. I got it on one of their deals, but I love that palette. It's where I'm getting this blush as well as the highlighter from, but I always use that Fenty bronzer to kind of buff it out because I don't like having harsh lines. So if I'm going too fast, I apologize. Rewind the video or check out some of my other Getting Ready With Me's where I go slower. So I just put on my lashes. These are called Fancy. I love these lashes. I sell these lashes. Of course, you guys will get a discount, so I'll put the link and coupon code down below. I'm going ahead and using Chestnut from MAC for my lip liner and Pink Plaid right on top. So here we have Glam is all finished. Even though I only used 3 colors, I used a very nude crease color, and then I used a brown color, kind of like a little bit lighter than my skin tone. That always gives me that whole velvety looking natural eye. So the reason why I say this is the simple look is because it's just really easy to do as far as your eyeshadow, and then you put on your liner, and then you saw what I did with the white and the pop of color. So now that we are done with the glam, we're gonna go ahead on to the hair. So this hair is like a 4-day-old wash and go. So I really need to co-wash my hair again, but for the sake of just going out to eat, I'm not going to do a lot. I'm going to go ahead and spray my hair down with some water in a spray bottle. I'm going to put all the products that I use down below, but it's all products that do not have any alcohol or parabens or sulfates, anything like that. I try to use really clean products. So my hair, so once I get my hair wet, I add moisture back into my hair with some of that Cantu leave-in conditioner. I also use some of the Record Roots mousse because that helps define my curl. I wanted to put it up, but I decided to kind of wear it down in like a back ponytail because, again, I didn't want to do too much with my hair, but I still wanted it to look like I did something. So I'm going to go ahead and poof out my ponytail with a pick, and I kind of pull down some baby hairs so I can go ahead and, you know, do my little swoop-de swoop. And I'm going to give you guys a little mini tutorial on how to do your swoop-de swoop. Now I just grabbed my Hicks gel and use a little bit of Got2b because that keeps my hair from curling up. You don't want to use too much Got2b glue because that stuff will flake and look like dandruff. Okay, so again, I mix my Hicks edge control with my Got2b styling gel, and I'm kind of just doing these little swoops. Y'all, this is coming back. Honestly, I don't think the swoop baby hairs ever left style, but I do see Beyonce and other people really doing it up. So it takes some practice, I gotta tell you, but it looks really cute and feminine and I think on trend. So there we go with the baby hairs. Just finished the hair. Honestly, you can just go crazy with defining your curls. What I mean by that is that for a couple of the top pieces, I did get some mousse on my hands, grab a piece, and kind of just define it this way, you know? Pull out your natural curls. That way when it dries, it gets a little puffy, but you kind of have a little bit more definition. Sideburns and your baby hair, they are sisters. They are not twins. They can even be cousins, girl. Like, it really doesn't matter, you know? But that is hair. So yeah, now I'm about to go ahead and choose an outfit. I'm going for casual, okay? So you guys let me know which outfit you like. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my Dossier spray and then be headed out for brunch. You already know, once you get your clothes on, you gotta put on your perfume. Again, I'm using Dossier. Today I'm smelling like J'adore, and I spray it and hop in it. I know I'm not the only one that does that. Who else does that? But I just wanted to show you my full outfit. Again, these are for casual slays. I'm going out to eat with my family for brunch, and I love this top. This top is so feminine, y'all. I love the color. It's one size fits all. I was skeptical, but I put it on, and it has this knit kind of stretch. So that's how that works. It's from my boutique, Shop Luxe Fane. I'm wearing, again, one size fits all, so I'll put the link down below. I love the color combination with this kind of camel bag and the camel slides. And yeah, I got these shorts a long time ago in an old Monotiques haul, and I got these shoes from a really cheap store. It was like a store, I don't even know what the name is. I think it just said shoes on the front. Y'all know them kind of stores I'm talking about. But again, I love the simplicity of this outfit. A lot of times I end up working wherever I'm at, so I like to bring my mini iPad and notebook, and that's the reason for the book bag. So moving on, I have this colorful dress. I loved ribbed dresses, y'all. For me, it stretches, but it looks nice. So I paired this ribbed dress with a cute chain pocketbook and then also sneakers. I'm not a real big sneaker girl. I'm kind of a girly girl, but when I say these Air Force Ones really set the mood, it made this dress look casual, fun, and in my opinion, a bit of sex appeal. So again, I got my glasses. They're also rainbow. I think I got these from Forever 21, but I like the rainbow pattern. I love the pop of the yellow. I think it's really speaking to me, and this hoop earring gives it that little girl around the way attitude. So again, casual outfits for on the go. Now holla, this is Cancer season. Who's a Cancer out there? I love y'all, especially deep, because I'm a Cancer. So I had to rock my necklace. I got this from my homeboy who lives here in Charlotte. He has a business. It's awesome. I will link it down below. But I switched this up. This is if I was going somewhere kind of like cute and I wanted to do it up a little bit. It's casual because I have on distressed jeans. These jeans I did have to size up in, but the denim is amazing in them. There's not a lot of stretch. They're a true denim jean. So I'm wearing these in a size 1X. I got these from a boutique. I will put the link down below. Y'all can save with code YTFAM, of course. But this top I got a long time ago, and I got this top from Posh Miami Styles. I don't know. Y'all go back through my previous videos. I have like 200 haul videos, and a lot of these links you can still shop. So I love these shoes. I got these shoes, I think, from Fashion Nova, and the color, again, the yellow is just popping, honey. Like, I love the yellow pop. That's why I wore it in my eyes. So I hope this try on haul video and getting ready with me video was helpful for you dolls. And yeah, I ended up rocking the dress with the sneakers. Okay, dolls, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. This video was a lot of fun for me because I had a chance to play with color and show you guys how easy it is to wear color eyeshadow. And then also I wanted to share with you some of the cute spring looks and summer looks that I have. Leave a comment down below. Let me know which one of these looks were your favorite. Also, don't forget, I did partner with Dossier. I want you to tell me if you tried their company before. Leave a comment as well of your experience. Let the other diva dolls know, because you know this channel is your resource for everything fashion, beauty, curvy girl, plus size related, okay? Also, I will be sure to put the links to the bottles that I have as far as my favorites from Dossier, and I'll also put any discount codes or anything like that all down below in the box. Now, if you guys are new here, I want to say again, welcome to my channel. And I also want to say, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please do that, as well as my fitness and my vlog channel. I'll put those links down below for my channels. If you don't follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat and on TikTok, be sure that you do that. And my name is at Chrissy the Doll. I have so much planned for you dolls. I have vlogs of my brunch. I have vlogs of my home search, things I'm doing, getting ready for the wedding. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know down below which videos you want to see first. I will get them edited and out to you. I want to say thank y'all, as always, for always supporting your girl. And I hope you stay fabulous and stay fierce.